Hey, this is Mike with Family Handyman. Welcome to Stuff We Love. Today I've got 3 gardening tools. Now it doesn't matter if you're a beginning gardener or an advanced gardener, these tools are going to help you out no matter what type of gardening you're into. Let's check them out. Here we have Fiskars Power Gear Pruners. Now what's great about this is it's got a bypass blade design, which is really perfect for cutting live branches. You can cut up to about 3/4 of an inch branch or shrub. And the thing I really like about these is that instead of just pulling the handles together, it operates with this geared mechanism here. So it kind of rolls it together, which optimizes the strength as you're cutting a branch. Now it also has this hardened blade with a non-stick coating, so as you're cutting those live branches, there's less of a chance of it gumming up and getting your blade caught. Another really cool thing about this is this lock. Really easy to use, one-handed, so you can put it away, no problem, and not worrying about cutting yourself when you're not using the blades. So you can find these at Home Depot for 25 bucks. Remember, that is the Fiskars Power Gear Pruners. Here we have Power Planters garden augers. Now they provide an easy way to make holes to then plant plants or bulbs throughout your garden. Now it has this nice non-slip hex shank drive that fits into a 3/8 inch or bigger drill, which makes it really easy to go around and plant a bunch of plants. Now they come in all different sizes. This one's a 2" by 7" and this one's a 3" by 24", but they make them all the way up to 9 inches in diameter, up to 28 inches long. They're made in the USA, and Power Planter gives an unconditional guarantee on their quality. These are available at powerplanter.com and on Amazon, and this 2x7 here starts at about $20. Remember, that is the Power Planter garden auger. Now here we have the Haushof Hori knife. Now Hori means dig in Japanese, and this is a very versatile garden tool. Got a lot of cool things on it. First of all, straight blade on this side is really great for cutting through landscape fabric, or if you need twine, cutting that twine to the length you need. On this side, it's got a nice serrated blade for cutting smaller roots as you're digging, or smaller branches if you need to. On the other side, it's got this contour shape, which makes it a really handy trowel. And on the trowel, it's got this great measuring guide, which will help you dig just the right depth of hole that you need to dig for whatever plant you might be planting. Now, it functions really well, but it also looks really nice and is made of really quality materials. It's got this great wooden handle, and it's made of tempered steel that's polished, which makes it stain resistant and corrosion resistant. It also comes with this really nice leather sheath to keep you safe while you're not using it, to keep the blade sharp, and it's got a belt loop, so it's at your hip whenever you need it. Now you can get these at Amazon for about $25. Remember, that is the Haushof Hori garden knife. So there you have it, 3 gardening tools that'll make your time in the garden more enjoyable. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know that you will too. So we'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.